Hi everyone, this is Summer. Glad to see you in Kingkar's factory today. This video, I will introduce the whole complete operation video of Kingkar DPF 5.0 machine to you. First, connect with a power supply, water source, and air compressor of your workshop. And second, put the DPF inside the cleaning chamber and close the door. Turn on the machine. Okay, choose the language, English. Start working. And enter the automatic cleaning model. So we have already set cleaning minutes, 6 minutes. Start button. We can track the whole complete cleaning process on this screen. After 60 minutes cleaning, you just need to turn off the machine. Turn on the drying button to dry the wastewater. This is the full complete operation process of DPF 5.0 machine. It's very easy and convenient.